Welcome to the JWK show. Quick thank you to our sponsor, crypto exchange BITUNIX. The link is in the description below. Right now, it does seem like we are in a trap. We have from Coinbase showing us this chart, and we have seen this multiple times in the market. So we have seen XRP cryptos, Bitcoin making a new all-time high, right? So throughout 2024, we did see the markets pumping up, and now, right after cryptos having that 4, 5, 6x, meme coins having that 20, 30x, we now have the crypto market moving down, right? It seems like people are taking profits, right? We do have whales, the 1%, market makers taking in some profits. And so with the crypto market taking a big beating, right now people are bearish as we have seen a big dump. And so guys, with a lot of people bearish, right, it seems like this is a trap. And guys, we do see with a lot of peak FUD, people selling. And so guys, once the trap is over, which is again just peak FUD in the markets, we should see reversal, markets pumping up. Once we see majority of retail investors being bearish, right? The 1% do this every single time. And earlier in October, right during the first week, we talked about a theory from Ash Crypto, and that is the 1% pumping up the markets and then crashing it, making people think that Pumptober is over. And after that, guys, a massive crash. We will see the 1% pumping up the markets again, resuming Pumptober, Uptober, catching everyone off guard. And guys, so far that has happened, right? It is following the playbook we have laid out from Ash Crypto, and that is cryptos pumping up until October 10. On October 6, Bitcoin making a new all-time high, and then after that, guys, we did see a flash crash, and now cryptos are going back down, and right now we do have a lot of FUD. So this is exactly how cartels want everyone to think. After a crash like Friday, the market always come down when we're trying to liquidate all those people who longed for the crash. That's why we saw $1.2 billion in liquidations in the last 24 hours, right? So we do have another flush out from the 1%. This is why leverage trading is very dangerous. And guys, spot trade, hold your XRP, and if you guys are leverage trading, set your liquidations at 0. That way they can't liquidate you. But guys, this means you have to leverage trade safely. And we have many current negative arguments actually being bullish. We have banking crisis equaling to bullish for Bitcoin, and this means that we could see Feds starting quantitative easing sooner, money printing, and the money printing being injected into the markets. We did see the effects of the trade war between the US and China already, right? We saw the flash crash happening, and next up, we could see a bullish post from Trump saying we have US-China agreeing to a deal, right? We had Trump doing this every single time. And weakness in job data is bullish for rate cuts. We have another Fed rate cut equaling to another new all-time high, just as we saw with Bitcoin recently. And so guys, we do have all of the bullish elements. We have leverage flush plus crypto reset done, 2 more Fed rate cuts in 2025, Fed about to start quantitative easing, and then quantitative tightening. We have Q4 historically the most bullish season, and we have gold topping as well, which means that we should see the money from gold being rotated over into Bitcoin, XRP cryptos, and we have more wars ending. So guys, right now, even with the bearish sentiment, even with the peak FUD, even with the markets going down, I am still bullish. And guys, I still believe there is a chance we could see cryptocurrencies ending in green in October. We still have 12 days left. And guys, anything can happen in the markets. We do have from James Wynn, he says, the next 72 hours is going to be an absolute bloodbath for crypto. If you're leveraged long, you will get liquidated. Avoid perps. The money printer will not go on until after a major event. I'm calling for black money of US stocks if you're holding in spots. Huddle, right? So we had James Wynn, one of the biggest crypto whales, calling for a crypto crash, a market crash. So guys, again, if you're leverage trading, please be careful. And we did talk about Mr. Pool's charts, Mr. Pool telling us of a flash crash. But guys, after the flash crash, we did see crypto's dipping down a little bit lower. So could we see that happening? XRP, crypto's moving down even lower initially, then a flash crash. We saw this happen with Bitcoin. So maybe we have Mr. Poole talking about the Bitcoin charts, and after we have the flash crash, the next move lower than the initial. Guys, after that, we saw a reversal God candle happening next, right? So guys, Mr. Poole is telling us of a reversal coming in after a flash crash. So again, guys, I'm still bullish, and we'll see if anything happens, anything crazy happens on Monday. And we saw back in 2020, gold making a top. And after that, guys, Bitcoin went on a mega massive run, making a new all-time high. And now fast forward 5 years later, 2025, we have gold appearing to make another market top. So if this is the market top for gold, we should see a parabolic run coming in for Bitcoin next. Bitcoin going to the $200,000 mark. And in the past 24 hours, we have also added $106 billion as well. And we do have another Trump insider who shorted the flash crash for 200 million, opening Bitcoin long for 150 million and Ethereum long for 76 million. We do have the 6 and 13 numbers. So guys, with insiders long the market, again, guys, this might be a good time to buy some more XRP and cryptos. And guys, for Bitcoin, we did see the flush out happening. So hopefully we do see a reversal coming in for Bitcoin next. We do have more leveraged longs getting liquidated, people who leveraged long after the crash. And according to CoinGlass, there is $17 billion to be liquidated across Binance, OKX, and Bybit if Bitcoin hits the $124,000 mark. So guys, we are expecting a short squeeze to happen as well as we see Bitcoin moving higher. And we do have XRP memes suddenly ascending. We can see Fuzzy drop up more than 2-3x in the past 24 hours. We do have a lot of money flowing into the XRP ledger. And lastly, we have XRP trading at $2.35. We do have a buy signal on the 12-hour time frame on the MACD. We are waiting for a buy signal on the daily time frame. And guys, once that happens, we'll definitely let you guys know. But we're waiting for 3 confirmation, 3 buy signals. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.